guys, so this is Kelsey.
Hi guys.
She's a Metro Detroit blogger and she's coming to me here for her microblading, which I'm so glad she's coming here out of all the places. I feel flattered. So we're going to be microblading her eyebrows today and I'm going to be walking you through like all the steps or whatever. So stay tuned and they're going to turn out like super nice.
Okay guys, so we're about to sketch out a shape for her. And this one, as you could see, kind of like does this thing where it goes up, and this one kind of like stays laying down. So we're gonna bring this one up just a little bit, and we're gonna bring this one down just a little bit because we like a little bit about this one and we like the lift of this one too. So we're just gonna try to create balance between them. Okay, so we're at the part where we're measuring her eyebrows, and as you can see, this one now looks a lot longer than this one naturally. So we're gonna try to take this shape and paste it on this brow. So we totally figured out a shape. They are so even, you can't tell me anything. They are so even. Open your eyes. Perfect, and she's so pretty too. So they really like go with her features. They're really dark right now and really exaggerated. They're not gonna look like that when we microblade them. We got the numbing cream on. And as soon as they're numb, we're gonna go in and start microblading them. So my pattern is gonna be based on her natural shape. I'm not gonna use like a preset pattern in my head and try to draw it over her eyebrow. I'm gonna let her hair guide me into what we're supposed to do. So we already did all the top strokes. She's bleeding a little bit, but like not a bad amount. Like this is normal. If you want to see the full tutorial on how I did this, I teach classes at trainingmicroblading.com. You can get on there and it's like a full the full video. After each stroke, a little bit of like gunk comes on the blade a little bit, so I like to make sure I wipe it to sharpen the blade again, and then dip a tiny amount of ink in there, just a little bit like that. And you want to go ahead, stretch again. So I'm going to take some green soap, water, and then just give it a wipe. So this is how the outline should look. Just a good direction to start building from. Okay, so we did the first pass on this eyebrow and I just put pigment on it for about 2 minutes. This one is still just pencil. I just took off the lidocaine off of it. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this eyebrow. And this is our first pass. And the reason why I'm wiping it is because I like to see the strokes as I draw this one, just so I can kind of like mirror them and copy them. Just to give me kind of like a guideline. See how this hair is standing up almost straight and this hair is kind of coming down? So this is the area where you need to switch from straight strokes to downward strokes. You just gotta find where the hairs on her eyebrows are. Can you see how slow I'm putting in the pigment in there? I'm going very like not deep, very exactly where like my blade should hit, and I'm going slow because the slower you go, the more time the pigment has to fall in her eyebrow, whereas if I like did like a fast motion effect, I'm just cutting, I'm not tattooing. And this is the first session, so don't worry about making them look super full. You just want to put the base, the most important strokes in there. You could do all the filling work on the 30-day touch-up because her eyebrows might get stimulated anyway. Most of the time, we get more growth on the 30-day touch-up because that area will get, like the hairs will get stimulated. And then you can like have an even more natural result. They look so good.
Oh my god, I have eyebrows.
That's so cool. Okay, so she just finally looked at herself in the mirror.
I have eyebrows. Who is she?
They look so good. They look better in like this lighting, right?
Yeah, I like this lighting a lot. Oh, I love them.